What's up everyone, welcome to part 15 of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone, and now I'm going to go ahead and make our XML and Java together work, and we're going to go ahead and make it click events inside this emulator. If you click on one, it is gonna go ahead and display 1 to that. If I click on 2, it's gonna go ahead and display 2 to that. But just for this one, I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4 looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and give it like 1 run, then it is gonna say runs, and you're also runs, and also runs. Alright, so this looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and use an OnClick method to this one. So I'm going to go ahead and add up. So this is selected this one. So I'm going to go ahead and give it OnClick method on click. So it is going to give you an auto suggestion. Just go ahead and hit on enter. And I'm going to go ahead and give it like 1 run. Now comes over here on click TW to run. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it on click 3 run, on click 4 run, okay, no spaces, on click 6 runs. So as I have given on click method to that, now next what we have to do is I'm going to go and sit inside the Java. I'm going to go ahead and give it a method to that. So now I'm going to go ahead and use public void and see what it says. First button says 1 run, 2 run, and THREE 3 run, FOUR 4 run, and 6 run. So this is the name which I have given right over here. So I'm going to go inside here and I'm going to go ahead and type 1 run. So that's gonna be a method name. So it's gonna be view, and view is a type which is gonna be view. So this is actually calling this one, and it is also saying this is a view type and it is gonna be a view. That's weird, but that's what it is. View is calling another view, so just keep it as view. I'm going to go ahead and display 14a, and inside right over here I'm going to go ahead and add display 14a, and inside over here I'm going to go ahead and give it a name for example 5. And now I'm going to go ahead and specifically take this. Now I'm going to go ahead and take a specific to that, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a name. For example, 1 is gonna be the value of 1, and let's just go ahead and play that one and let's see if that works. So this is a GenyMotion and it's gonna come up, but we have given the value to number 1a. So our app has been loaded up, and now I'm going to go ahead and test that out and see if that works. So if I go ahead and see, alright, so as we have given the display team A as 5, it's gonna appear like 5, and here if you go ahead and see, it says 0. So it is actually not looking forward to what is written inside XML, but it is looking for what is written inside a Java class. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 buttons. That's the reason I named it as 5, but it's not gonna be like that. So what if, as you can see, I had given one method to display 1 run. So let's just go ahead and click on run 1. There you see 1 run is been getting displayed inside our application. That's pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and just go ahead and same to same. I'm going to go ahead and apply it 4 times because we have 4 buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and see control copy. So there you see copy, and now I'm going to go ahead and Control V 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So there's one run. Next is 2 run. Then we have 3 run. THRAE 3 run. Then we have 4 run. FOUR 4 run. And then 6 SRX, and this was extra, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. So yoo-hoo, so that's pretty nice. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So let's just go ahead and see if that works. It's automatically displaying number 5 as we have given the value right over here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and check that out if every button works. 1, 2 should work, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, it's running right now. So let's just go ahead and 2 runs will be 2, 3 runs will display 3, 4 run will display 4, and 6 run will display 6 to that. So let's just go ahead and play that one and let's see if that works. So if that works, you have done very great job of making actually your app as interactive. So there you can see number 5 is getting displayed automatically. So if I click on 1 run, it displays 1. If I click on 2, it displays 2, 3, 4 and 6. So that's pretty nice. Congratulations, you have done it and crossed some more depth of learning Android development, and now you have actually used Java in your own application. So congratulations for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.